Hey guys, so today is the day before my breast augmentation surgery. I'm going to document my entire experience from today being the day before. I have exactly 18 hours until the surgery time. Um, I'm really excited, but I'm also very nervous. There's a lot of things that I have to do to prepare for before and after the surgery, but I'm gonna try my best to document every day. And once it gets to a week, I'm gonna do weekly of how my experiences have been with the surgery. I'm really excited to just get it over with, but I also am nervous about the pain afterwards and not being able to do certain things. I just worked out for like an hour and a half, and I'm like really sad because I won't be able to work out for like the next 6 weeks. But I'm getting 405cc. I'm wearing a sports bra right now, so I'm normally like a 34A, and I think I'm going up to a D cup, so it's definitely going to be like a shock to my body, but I know for the first like 3 days it's going to be a little difficult. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's going to be an amazing transformation. I've been wanting to do this since I was like 16. Never had the money, but I've been saving up for years, and I think now is the time. Like, I don't know what I'm waiting for. So I found a really good doctor. He has like 20 years experience, and he has like his own custom doctor's office and surgical room in his office. So I'm very excited, and I really just like hope for the best. Like, I hope they heal properly, and I have a lot of support from my friends and family, but I'm trying to keep it as much of a secret as possible. I want it to look like a natural growth. I don't want it to be like, oh my god, she got implants. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. His work is very beautiful, and I can't wait to show you guys the results. Yay! So it's 5:57 a.m. I am on the way to my breast augmentation surgery. I'm really sleepy. I'm ready to get this over with. I'm nervous, but I'm also really excited. We're just ready to get this procedure over with, and I should be done by 10 a.m. And hopefully by the evening time I'll be able to make a post-op video. Alright, so it is day one after my surgery. It's very hard for me to do anything yesterday after my surgery. I was very sensitive to the anesthesia because they gave me general anesthesia. It made me really nauseous. And I kid you not, they gave me so many nausea medicine. I have a patch behind my ear. They injected me with more nausea medicine through my IV. And I also have more nausea pills that I took when I came home. And I still threw up like probably 4 or 5 times. But every time I did, I felt better because I knew I was getting like all the anesthesia out of my system. But I've been taking the pain meds and my antibiotics, and as the day went by, I probably slept like 5 or 6 times throughout the day. But I am a lot in more pain today, and it's not unbearable, it's just very uncomfortable. Like, every movement that I make, it's very tight, especially like in the middle of my chest. But I'm ready for it to go away, like the pain. I'm ready to feel like normal again, but I know I have like at least a week to feel myself again. Yeah, I've just been laying down a lot, just resting, making sure I'm not doing any harsh movements. I have my post-op appointment next Wednesday to check on how they're doing. They also stuck a tube down my throat when I was doing surgery, so my throat is really dry, and they told me to suck on candies and drink a lot of liquids. But yeah, I'm really excited because after the first 6 weeks, they'll be pretty much healed, and after 3 months, they'll be dropped by then. Yeah, it was very hard for me to sleep last night, even though I took the pain medicine. I kind of felt like I had like anxiety a little bit, so I couldn't really sleep. And also just because I slept a lot during the day. But getting out of bed this morning was really tough. It's very, very tight. I'm really excited that I got this done. It's just a matter of time before it heals. This is what they look like right now. They're a little more swollen yesterday, so today they look a little better. Yeah, this bra is like perfectly snug. I didn't want it too loose or too tight, but I get to take a shower today to see what they really look like without the bra. And after a week, I'm able to use my own bras, sports bras, just no underwire, and I can't free ball it either. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like by the end of August, because I'll pretty much be healed by then.
and I am making one move to Florida the first week of August, so hopefully I won't be in too much pain during that time. So today is the second day after my surgery. It's Thursday. I got it done on Tuesday. I consider that just because I was out of it so bad the first day, but I'm not in as much pain today. I just feel like the stitches are scabbing, so it's a little itchy. Kind of feels like it's burning, but I'm able to do a lot more today. I'm able to sit up on my own and go to the bathroom on my own, and I'm trying to like walk around a little bit more because my butt keeps getting really numb. I'm sitting and laying too long. Sleeping has been very difficult just because I have to sleep just like this, like upright, and my whole entire back and my hips are just very tight and tense, and like can't wait till I can get like a massage after this because it's very, very tight. But other than that, I feel like by Friday or in the end of the week I'll be a lot better than before because I do have to go back to work next Wednesday, so I'm hoping for the best. So today is day 3 after my breast augmentation surgery. They're a lot less swollen today. They actually are looking really good. I'm not in any pain, to be honest. I actually got some good sleep last night. Still just really tight, like right around my armpit area and in the middle. But other than that, I'm like not in pain. I've just been having a lot of trouble going to the bathroom because of all the medication. So that's like the only reason why I feel kind of weird a little bit. But other than that, I think by the end of this weekend, I'll be feeling pretty normal. Okay, so I just took a shower, so I'm feeling pretty normal today. In the last videos, you can tell that I was still really out of it, but I'm pretty like aware my like skin color is not as pale anymore from like feeling a little weird. I am really bloated. I feel like I look a little fat right now, but it's okay because I know it's from the medication. Yeah, I just can't wait to feel like myself again. I stopped taking the pain meds because I haven't felt any pain today. It's just still really tight. But the hydrocodone acetaminophen was just making my head feel a little weird. I don't really like the feeling, so I was like, you know what, I'll just stick to Tylenol, which I have been, and I've barely even been taking the Tylenol. I've been feeling absolutely fine. I've been able to do pretty much everything except for lift things, obviously. I'm not supposed to do that, even if I can do it. Yeah, so I feel like pretty normal today, so I'm really excited to like see what Sunday is going to be like. So after this video, I'm only going to do one more weekly update explaining like how I've been feeling, especially after my post-operation appointment, which is on the 15th. Just to also let you guys know like how my body has been recovering, and you can also see the results and whatnot. I've had a lot of friends ask me all these questions on how I'm doing or how the procedure went and whatnot, and I love to answer, but for like the first few days I was so out of it that it was just like too hard for me to even look at my phone. So I feel like this video vlog will help anyone in their questions. But yeah, I'm very happy with how they've turned out. It's only been like 4 days, and I'm really excited and anxious to just like try on cute tops already. Okay, so it's been exactly 7 days since I had the breast augmentation surgery. I haven't had my post-op appointment yet. It's supposed to be on Thursday, so by then I'll be asking a lot of questions. The difficulties I've been having is I've been having to sleep upright still. I think I have to for the next week after this. And then I think until I get approval from my surgeon when I can sleep like on my back flat or on my side. So other than that, I haven't had any pain for like the past 3 days. It's just been a little tight. If I do feel like that, I usually just take Tylenol. I haven't been taking the pain meds that they've prescribed just because it still makes my head a little funny. If anything, I'll take it like half of one before I go to bed, and it helps me sleep. But I haven't really been getting the best sleep just because I've been waking up like in the middle of the night. I had really good sleep last night, which really made me feel a lot better today, just because every single night I've been having really horrible sleep and waking up like in a really bad mood. But I'm finally like starting to feel myself again. I feel more confident. I went out to grab a drink with a friend last night, and I just felt like so much more confident than obviously the beginning of the week. But I'm really curious to see what it's going to be like in the next few weeks. This will be my last video for my experience. I definitely feel like it was worth it. The money
wasn't even a problem, but the recovery was really quick, and it definitely does depend on the person, but I knew I was going to bounce back from it pretty quick, which I'm really happy about. There are a lot of questions that I have to ask my surgeon on Thursday, and I do have to wear the post-op bra for the next week. I'm currently washing it right now. I accidentally forgot to read over the instructions a little bit, so I was supposed to take off these gauze like patches that they put over the surgical tape, and I left that on pretty much the whole week, and then I read it and I was like, oh my god, I'm supposed to take these off. So I took them off, and like the skin around the stitches were like really tight. So I showered, and luckily it was good, so hopefully it'll heal a little better, and it's not as tense now. So I kind of wish that I took it off a lot sooner. I was supposed to take it off like 4 days ago, but I didn't know, so I think I'll be fine. But other than that, I'm really hyped because in a month, one of my friends is actually going to get hers done, and I'm going to go take care of her, so I know exactly what to do and exactly what she needs, so I'm going to be there for her, because this procedure, you definitely need someone to help you, especially getting out of bed. You won't be able to get out of bed. So a piece of advice that I am willing to give everyone who has been wanting to do this procedure, I would just do it. I've been wanting to do this since I was like 16, that I've probably mentioned earlier in the videos before. But yeah, if you have the money, I would just say to go and do it. There's nothing you should be waiting on. Definitely have someone there to take care of you. I definitely needed my mom there to get me out of bed and feed me and also help me to the bathroom. So especially for like the first 3 days, it was a little bit difficult. But if you have someone there, I think by the end of the week is when you'll be fine to do most of the stuff on your own. So yeah, I feel like it really boosted my confidence, and this is only not even a percentage of what I'm going to feel like once this is all healed after the 6 weeks. And I'm so excited to post pictures and show you guys the progress. So I had my post-op appointment today, and it went so well. My doctor is so nice. He gave me a big warm hug, and he looked at them. Everything was perfect. They're healing perfectly fine. Good news, he told me I can lay flat on my back when I sleep, which makes me so happy because sleeping upright has been very uncomfortable. Starting today, I'm able to wear supported sports bras, no underwire. I'm so happy about that. I thought I had to wait 2 weeks to wear the post-surgical bra. So I'm happy I could wear all the tops that I want now. And he said after 3 weeks, I'm able to do leg workouts, which I'm also really happy about, so I can start working on my glutes and get back into it for those summer bikini photos. And then on top of that, I have to go back in 2 weeks before I make my move to Florida, so they could take pictures. And another thing that's amazing, they gave me a complimentary Botox treatment, and I'm going to do it in my forehead in 2 weeks, so I'm really happy about that. Botox isn't cheap, no injections are cheap, so I'm really happy. I don't have anything on my face yet, but in the future, I do want to get lip injections. I do want an eyebrow lift, which I hope will kind of help when I get the complimentary Botox. So that is amazing that they're gonna provide back to me after doing this amazing work. So yeah, all I have to do is put on this scar gel every 2 times a day, and it's on top of like the surgical tape. So after 6 to 8 weeks, it should be pretty healed by then, and I'm just so happy. I really can't wait to see what it's gonna look like in 6 weeks. But this is the last video, and I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.